Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. So let's continue the chapter number 6. Next topic is copy paste and cut paste. Actually the copy paste is used to copy the image from one place and paste it to another place. That means an image plays both sides, that is original place and new place also. So copy paste, generally it is used to copy the image from one place, that is an original place, and paste it to another place. But the cut paste means is used to erase the drawing from its original place and paste it to another place. That means an image only available on new place and it will be erased from its original place. That is the main difference between the copy paste and cut paste. Now the steps are, first of all we have to click on home tab. This is the home tab. After that click on select and you have to select an image. So I just select here image. You can see this dotted line around an image. Now this image is selected. After that you have to click on copy, this one, and the second option, that is you have to press the Ctrl+C key, that is the shortcut key. Now this time I just click on copy and after that click on paste. This is the paste option. Click on paste option. Now you can see the original picture also there and the new picture also there. That means original place also here and the new place also here. So this is a simple way of copy paste. This is the original picture and this one new picture. That means new place of picture. This is the original place of picture. And the second is, that is cut paste. Follow the same step. First of all you have to click on home tab, then select, then press the left button of your mouse and select an image that you want to cut paste. Now it's selected. After that you have to click on cut and click on paste. Now you can see here the picture only one time. That is the new place of an picture and this is the original place of an picture and you are not able to see any picture here. That means in cut paste only the one place for the picture, that is a new place. Now the next topic is, that is crop image. So crop feature of Paint, see the part of the image that we have selected. That means कि after cropping only selected part of the image is visible. Now the steps are, first of all you have to click on home tab, this one. After that click on select and you will select an image. After that the first option, that is crop, this one you have to click on it. Now you can see after cropping only selected part of the image is visible. Next topic is selecting color using color picker tool. So we can pick a color from an open image or color drawing with the color picker tool. This tool enables us to paint using a color already present in your image. Now here the default active color is black, this one, and click the color, click on the color picker tool. So this is the color picker tool. You can see this one. You have to click on it. After that you have to select an tool. I just select here rectangle and you can press the left button of your mouse and draw an rectangle. After that click on fill with color tool, this one, and click inside the object where you want to color. Now I press this. Now the object is filled with the color you have selected with color picker tool. Now the next topic is draw call out shapes. For that, so we can draw a call out by using call out tool. So this is the call out tool. From the shapes you have to click on it. After that from here you can select the size for your call out. I just select the size as the last one, this one. After that you can see this pointer on your screen, on your sheet. Then press the left button of your mouse and drag your mouse and you can see the shape. Now this is a 4-side dotted line is there. So you can change the size of your call out. Just you can see the double-sided arrow here. So press the left button of your mouse and drag for the increase and this one also. So you can increase the size also, and you can decrease the size also of the logout of the call out according to your requirement. Now the last topic is a saving drawing. So for the saving, you have to click on file menu, this one. After that, click on save option. The save as dialog box appear. After that, you have to type the name of an image. So I just write down here. We can type the any name like a Mickey. And after that, you can also choose the space like dialog box. For example, for the desktop, for the document, for the pictures, you can choose the any place. So I just choose the here place desktop, and here the file name is this one, and after that click on save. Now you can see this one, the file name appear on the title bar, that is a Mickey Paint. So these are the simple steps for saving drawing. Now in your book you can see some saving drawing in different file formats. So these are the different file formats like a PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF, TIFF. So these all are the abbreviation, these are the names, and these are the uses, and you all have to learn these abbreviation with full name. So book exercise and question answer I will send in WhatsApp group. Thank you. Bye bye.